Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about these kind of bead accents and some things you can make with them. The bead caps I did get from Michaels. It comes with large ones and two variations of small ones. They're in those tissue papers. I've already separated them out and I don't want to get them mixed up again. The rest of the beads accents that you see here, I did purchase from Hobby Lobby. I believe the first ones I'm going to show you are also bead caps, but they're just like a different little design, and this is what they look like when you stack them together. These are the first steps to having miniature hardware, and you can also make it a little bit bigger, more in line with 1/6 scale if you add a small bead cap on the top of it. For 1/12 scale, this can also work as candle holders. As we all know, various hardware and drawer pulls comes in various sizes and shapes, so these can fluctuate between 1/6 scale and 1/12 scale pretty easily. And this is just when I'm taking like the basic basis and adding that bead cap on top to make it even more pretty. On this next one, I added the larger bead cap to the bottom, so you can see it can be a drawer pull like that, or you can flip it over. Sorry, I'm trying to use the tweezers to help me out in the video, so hopefully you can actually see what these look like without my fingers getting in the way. But yes, if you flip it over like this, for 1/12 scale it can make a miniature fruit bowl. For 1/6 scale it can make a drawer pull or a door handle or even a candle holder. So the more you build it up, the more intricate it becomes and the more versatility you can get out of it. It's very difficult working with such small things. As you can see, my candle went falling everywhere. Another idea I had was to flip this over, and I took a straw, but you can also use some tubing, it'll hold up better. And you can make a wall sconce, and I'll show you in a moment how I embellished the clear straw. Now, I forgot exactly why I took the extra footage of this particular drawer pull, but here it is. And now we're going to move on to some more. So you have the one bead on top of the bead cap, and then you have the bead on top of the other type of bead cap. And then, as you can see, if you add jump rings, it changes up the look significantly, making this particular drawer pull look even more realistic. Lastly, here are the embellishments that I used for the sconce. It's just some nail art that I got from Dollar Tree, so I hope I find more because I'm running out, as you can see. And I also use it to spruce up this mug here. On the mug, it does remind me of like a golden filigree pumpkin, so I think it looks really nice. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!